Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to use SAP GUI. Let's get into it. First, open the tool and log in. Click on the blue system icon on your desktop, choose your company's connection name, and put in your username and secret password. Press the Enter key on your board to submit your info and wait for the main welcome page to load. Because the system needs to know who you are before it shows any private business details. You have to open this entry screen so the computer can build a safe bridge to your files. Without this step, the software stays completely locked and you won't be able to look at any store sheets or work files. Next, find the navigation menu tree. You need to look at the main screen to understand where all your different work folders are kept. Look at the left side of your screen to see the long list of folders that looks like a family tree. Click on the small arrows next to folders like logistics or accounting to open them up and see what is inside. It shows you how the system holds all your company tasks in separate rooms. By exploring this menu tree, you can see where everything lives without having to guess. It ensures you know where to go when you need to enter a sale, check on an item, or print out a sheet. Next, use the short command box. Now you are going to use the special white box at the very top of the screen to jump directly to your work pages without clicking through all the folders. Move your mouse to the white box in the top left corner and type in your specific page, letter, and number code. Type your code carefully and press Enter to make the screen change instantly to your specific task page. Using these short codes saves you a lot of time every day. Instead of clicking through 10 different folders, you just type the short name and go straight there. It is the key step to getting the right output and moving quickly between your morning tasks and your afternoon tasks. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.